Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix screen flickering on your DOOGEE Blade 20 Max. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust the brightness in these settings. So go over to these settings and now you need to scroll down until you see display. Here, you guys need to make sure that you change your brightness level, and you guys can do it like that. Now I'll keep it at 20% just for the recording, and make sure that you disable adaptive brightness. As you guys can see, once we disable it, we can change our brightness level back to what it was. After that, what we can do is we can download the screen dimming app from the Play Store. So open up the Play Store and go over to search. Now go over to search apps and games and search for screen dimmer and then go for OLED Saver. Here you need to ignore the sponsored ones because this one is paid. We need to click on this one. You guys can see the logo right here. Now click on install and it should install in less than 5 seconds. It's only a megabyte. So now it's installing and now we can click on open. Here we need to grant permissions. So the first one is to modify the system settings to change our screen brightness. Now the next one is the accessibility, and this one we use whenever we change our overlay and whenever we enable, let's say, a keyboard or rotate our screen. Now the last one is to grant permission to the notifications to display the status bar, and here I'll quickly lower the brightness. As you guys can see, whenever we go into here, we can also change it by tapping on the notification, and if we want to disable it, just tap on this switch right here. But remember to change your brightness afterwards. So now everything is changed, and what you guys can do as a last resort is go over into the settings and scroll down into the system right at the bottom to check for the software updates. So go to system updates, click check for updates, and my device is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest software. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.